Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10C, and I'll show you how to activate and customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to home screen and wallpaper, then tap to always on display section. Just to turn on or turn off always on display feature, we should use this switcher. If you want to change the display mode from all day to shadowed or to tap to show, we should just switch these sections. Let's go back. Here we can use our custom images from our device gallery or download it from the internet. Also we can use the default themes on our device, so we can use the graffiti, artistic theme, analog or digital clocks. So for example, let's use this clock. We can change here the position of the clock on the lock screen. Also we can turn on or turn off the date information and notifications and battery status. So just to change it, we should click to apply it, and let's lock our device, and we can see that we just changed it successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.